In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make a purchase on the Temu website. Whether you're a first-time shopper or a regular user, this tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring your online shopping experience is smooth and enjoyable. To get started, you'll want to open your Chrome browser and head over to the Temu website at temu.com. If you have an account, go ahead and log in using your usual credentials. For those of you who don't have an account yet, I recommend signing up. Having an account means you can save your preferences and get the latest updates on promotions, ensuring a seamless experience each time you shop. Once you're logged in, the fun begins with browsing for the perfect product. You can simply scroll through the categories or use the search function if you're looking for something specific. When you find an item that catches your interest and click on its page, you'll typically find options for size, color, and quantity if applicable. Take a moment to make your selections carefully to avoid any last-minute rushes, then click that Add to Cart button to move the item into your shopping cart. After you've added the items you're interested in, it's time to take a closer look at your selections. You can do this by clicking the cart icon located conveniently at the top right corner of the page. From here, you'll get a clear overview of everything you've added to your cart. Before you rush to checkout, managing your items is essential. If you want to adjust the quantity of a particular item, use the plus or minus buttons until your desired number appears. Deciding against an item? No worries. Simply click the trash bin or delete button, and it will be removed from your cart. There's also a handy feature called Save for Later. If it's available, you can move an item to this list if you love it, but want to purchase it at another time. It's a smart way to keep your current shopping priorities clear. As you prepare to proceed with your purchase, organizing your cart is key. Carefully tick the box next to the items you wish to purchase right now. Any unticked items will stay in your cart, so you can return to them later without needing to search for them all over again. This helps you effectively organize your shopping priorities. When you're finally ready to make your purchase, click on the checkout button. This step will take you through entering your payment details and shipping information. Double check to make sure everything is correct to avoid any issues or delays in receiving your order. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can successfully navigate and make a purchase on Temu, ensuring an efficient and enjoyable online shopping experience. Happy shopping and thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Temu shopping journey. Keep watching for more helpful tips and tutorials.